Okay, hi guys. Uh, Today we're going to learn about various way to create button in Excel. Uh, this way I'm going to show you will include Visual Basic for application or VBA coding a little bit, not much, but it will be enough for you to create a button in Excel. First, I'm going to show you. Uh, we're going to make a traditional shape button. I'm going to choose this shapes, rounded corner on this, and right click it and edit text, type button. I'm going to make it center, both vertically and horizontally. Then we're going to assign a macro on it because we still doesn't have VBA code to run a command. We're going to go to Visual Basic. If you still doesn't have this developer tab available in your Excel, you can access this Visual Basic window by uh, pressing Alt plus F11. It's like this. Okay, first we're going to choose sheet number one, of course. We want to create a sub, call it sub click button. Don't forget the brackets. This button, click button will show a message box of button click. Okay, simple, just like this. We're going back to our Excel file, right click on it, assign macro. We have sheet one click button. Of course, we just created this. Okay, click OK and the button will work. Simple, but yeah, powerful trick. Okay, the second one, I'm gonna use the built-in button in Excel. Click on the comment button in ActiveX control because this is the form controls. You can only have this button on form controls on form user form. This is the ActiveX. Right click on it, click on properties, select caption, and change the display text on the button. Okay, because this is the built-in button provided, you can double click on it to access the VBA code of it. because we already have a macro that will run after the button is clicked. We just call it right here, our start click button. We go back to our Excel file, click on the design mode. Remember to click on the design mode right here to deactivate it, because otherwise this button won't work. Okay, that's the second one. Okay, the third one is we're going to use a cell as a button. First, I'm gonna need to uh, deactivate the grid lines and change the color of this worksheet to uh, gold. You can choose whatever color you want and choose one of these cell as a button. I choose this as the button. Center this. Okay, and we want to modify the border of the cell to make the cell look like a button. First, I'm going to choose this. The color should be black or dark. And for this, I'm gonna the left and the top border will be white. The bottom and the right border should be black or dark color. Now you have a button-like cell. We need to make this cell, when selected, is uh, going to activate the message button just like these other two. For that, we're going back to our VBA window right here, and click on not command button but worksheet, and select selection change. This means and add some code, not very long code, but quite. I'm gonna copy paste it right here. The range we want to have as the button. So I6, change this to I6, and call click button. Sorry, I'm a C right here. Okay, stop. Now, when you select this button, it works like the other two buttons. Okay, I think that will be all for today. 3 ways to create a button and in Excel. First, we're going to first we use a shape button. The second one we're using ActiveX control button. The third one we're going or we use the cell as a button. Okay, hope you find this video useful. Subscribe if to this channel if you find this channel useful. Share the video if you like the video. comment below if you have any question. I'm trying my best to answer the question with or without the video. Okay, have a nice day.